It was a tense day waiting to hear whether our family and friends were safe and they had made it out. It was almost like you were caught in a nightmare.
It was just chaos, cars going all directions and all different lanes of traffic, just people doing what they had to do to get out of town. And that was a bit of an eye-opener as to how big this was. And it wasn't until afterwards when we got out of town and I saw on the news, Fort McMurray is just a small place and a big event to this.
We're at GlobalMedic headquarters this morning. We got 70 volunteers out and we are packing hygiene kits. Every kit's got a couple of toothbrushes, a couple of tubes of toothpaste, some body wash, some shampoo. They're all packed in these individual kits. We know that there are thousands of people that are making that long, harrowing journey from the oil fields north of Fort McMurray down into Edmonton. Many of them will end up in the shelter system. These kits will help keep them clean and healthy.
Thank you, and thank GlobalMedic for the support that you've provided to us in Fort McMurray that needed it. It's greatly appreciated.
Thank you.